Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace rear interior door handle guys on Chevy Cruze first generation years 2008 to 2016. So we'll demonstrate on the rear left door, but the rear right door will be the same way guys. So make sure you stay with us until the end. There are two ways to do that. One is with removing the door panel, one is without removing the door panel, and we're going to explain all that as we go. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. This is guys because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. And if you need any tools or parts guys for your car that are at a really good price and fast shipping, check out the link, will be shared in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So what we need to do first, so we need to open the rear door, and rear left or right door is the same procedure guys. Right here, first thing that we need to do is under the door handle you have actually one cover, okay, that you need to pop loose. So okay, like that, we get it out. Perfect. And he has 3 clips on it. Let me show you, 1, 2, 3. They go in these holes. There is one screw with Torx 20. So if you need any tools or parts guys, you can check out the tools and parts in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get everything of our parts from. We remove that screw. Perfect. Now right here we have another cap. Okay, check out. This is in that door handle. Perfect. And we have one more screw just like the one that we already removed. And this one is with the same tool, Torx 20. So far not complicated, right? Okay, we got it out. Now we get a plastic panel removal tool. Okay, and we start guys getting that panel loose. So let me explain what we'll be doing. We need to find a spot where we can put the tool in. You need to start prying a little bit. That tool is good that it doesn't cause damage guys. It's very tight, so find a spot where you can get the tool in good and you can pry. I don't think this door has ever been removed. No, it's tight. But once you get the tool in and you can get your hands in, okay, here you have to be careful because the door will fall apart, so we need to grab and pry right here. Okay, not to break your door panel. The same thing applies to the front, because otherwise you may break your panel guys. Perfect. If you break any clips, we'll have the replacement clips in the description of the video below. Now, okay, let's see here if it's stuck or if we have side clips, because sometimes you have side clips. That's why it's a good thing to always watch guys the video to know what's happening. It just goes in. Okay, let me see now. Yep, we need to go up. We just need to lift it up. Perfect. Need to lift it up, need to get out of the lock button. Now we need to disconnect the door handle. How you do that? Okay, let us explain you quick. Okay, that tooth right here, okay, needs to be pried up a little bit. Then it comes out, and it comes out of here and pull the ball out. Next, okay, the wiring harness for the window switch. Press in, pull it out. Okay, let me see if I can get it with that hand. Yep, right there. Press in, pull out. And you can see the door panel came out. Let us show you now where all the clips are guys. So you need to know. Facing with the back, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one clip is missing. Right here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 clips. 2 clips that we broke guys, and that we will need to replace. Now, once you remove them or replace with new one, you just push them in. We're going to get a clip removal tool now to actually get them out. Otherwise, you won't be able to install the door panel later. So let us show you now, okay, where that is. So this is the clip removal tool. Okay, we're going to go down and up. We have two of them. One here, you go underneath and it pops out. One more, you have to go on the very last layer, pull it out. Now, how you guys install those when you get new replacement ones? I'll go ahead and order some. I'll share the link, guys, in the description of the video below. But you just push them in the canal until they go in. Okay, and you will be practically, guys, okay, ready with the door panel now. So now, guys, we remove the door panel, but practically you can do it without removing it. All you have to do, okay, remove that cap here and remove that bolt. And later you need to pry right here with a panel removal tool or a screwdriver. But you can damage your door panel. That's why we decided to remove it and show you guys what's on the inside. Now, that's what it looks on the inside. Now on the inside, if I get a screwdriver, okay, I can spread that thing a little bit and we can push the handle out. You can see, super simple. That way, we're not going to damage anything. So, if you come on the front side and you get a screwdriver right here or a panel removal tool, I would recommend screwdriver. You can damage really bad your door panel. You can remove it, but the correct way in my opinion is to remove the door panel, because you have 1, 2, then you have 3 clips and 1 towards the back that you can easily break. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.